All right, so we got this live edge poplar table that we are about to glue up, and we're gonna put some biscuits in it to keep it nice and flat. So I've got them marked here. And we're gonna put biscuits in them because this is gonna end up like 38 inches wide. And I don't have a planer that big. Plus I got this gap right here that I'm gonna leave, fill with epoxy, and I wanna make sure that everything's sitting flush. So we're gonna show you how we do it. All right, so we're about to put the biscuits in. I've got it set to halfway up the board. You can see the red dot there. Already did a practice one, so we know we're good, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and knock them out. All right, so we've got that side done. Now we just gotta do this side. All right, ready to put the biscuits in. All right, so we're about to glue up. We're gonna set our boards back on here. All right, so I've got it back against my clamp, so we're gonna flip this side up. Make sure they're turned the right way. That'll help the biscuits go together a little bit better. All right, now we've got them turned the right way. So I'm gonna flip this one up. We're gonna take our biscuits. And our tight bonds. All right, so we got our glue on and our biscuits in. We're about to try to get it to fit together. See how we did. That one fits. That one fits. Oh yeah. Are those done? You're done using those?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Nice and flat all the way across. Had to use a bunch of clamps. This gap is supposed to be here, but it's nice and flat. We've got these two clamps over here. And then if we lift up the table, should come to this side. Should have the squeeze coming out on the bottom. Oh yeah. There's all the glue dripping out. Yeah, we're good.